Hello friends, welcome to Log2Base2 video tutorial. In this tutorial, let us see Introduction to Pointers. Before getting started with pointers, let us visualize computer memory addresses. Pointer refers to memory addresses. Using that reference, we access the value stored in that memory. Computer memory are linear. As you can see here, each block represents one byte of memory. Every byte of memory will have unique addresses. For easy understanding, we have represented the address in decimal system, but a real computer memory will be a hexadecimal value. Basic unit of memory is 1 byte. Here, 1 byte is made up of 8 bits. A bit can either be 0 or 1. The entire computer memory is made up of zeros and ones. There are basic data types like character, integer, float, double, etc. One character uses 1 byte of memory. Likewise, integer or float uses 4 continuous bytes of memory. Double uses 8 continuous bytes of memory. That is about computer memory addresses. Thank you for watching this video.